Welcome to Microsoft Minutes. Today we are going to explore Flash Fill in Excel 365. Let's check it out. Flash Fill looks for patterns in your Excel file and will automatically fill in your data for you. For example, the spreadsheet has first names listed in one column and the last names listed in a separate column, but you need the full name in one cell. Flash Fill will recognize the pattern so that you can use one example. And with a simple click of a button, the rest of the column will follow that pattern. If you need to reverse the process to separate a full name, that can also be done. Simply provide one or two examples and click Flash Fill. Next time you need to combine or separate names in a spreadsheet, use Flash Fill to save time. Use all that time that you have now saved to watch additional episodes of Microsoft Minutes. See you in our next episode when we highlight presentation controls in PowerPoint 365.